Are you looking for some awesome effects? Get access to thousands of exclusive premium effects, free effects as well, with their super affordable pro memberships. Click the link in the description. What's up guys, these are the most cinematic tricks in Vegas Pro 16.
Let's see. Today is Wednesday, so that means Vegas Pro. Let's see, let's turn on some music first. And let's see on our upload schedule. Okay, we need to find an idea for a great tutorial. Let's see on YouTube what we could do. What? Dude, you should be recording. Someone requested this and it's basically fake cinematic camera shakes or something. You can at least try it, right? Fake cinematic camera shakes. Let's look that up. I think that's a great idea though. I have never done it, so yeah, let's try that one. Let's go. Should I do the intro? Okay. What's up guys, my name is Alex, welcome back to a brand new video, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to create fake cinematic camera shakes and everything like that. And I just have a stock footage clip of Tower Bridge, and what we're gonna do is very simple. We're gonna create these awesome shakes and movements, and this video is existing out of two segments. The first one is the shakes and all the movements, the fake movements, and I have a video that I uploaded a few months ago that is called the fake drone effect. It's also, to create like a fake map drone effect. I'm gonna include that in the second part of the videos, and I also have a really special announcement at the end of the video, so keep watching. Let's get started. So this is basically the Tower Bridge clip. As you can see, very, very nice. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pretend that this has been shot on a glider. So we're gonna go to the event pan crop icon. First of all, we need to zoom in a little bit, because if we're gonna slide from the left to the right, as you can see, there will be black bars appearing, and that's not what we want. We're gonna go ahead and zoom in just a little bit more. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that this icon is set to move in X only. Then we're gonna go to the left and we're gonna put it to the edge like this, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a keyframe in order to slide to the right. So we're gonna go ahead and place our keyframe at the very end, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this guy to the opposite way. So that's what we're gonna do, and this is what it looks like. So let me adjust it just a little bit. Okay, this is what we created so far. So as you can see, that looks really, really nice, and that looks like this video is shot on a glider that's going from left to right, and that's a really, really cool technique in order to actually create this fake movement. So what you can also do is you can add in cinematic shakes. So what we can do is, for example, tilt this guy a little bit to the left. I'm gonna also do that, like that, and then at the very beginning, I'm gonna tilt it to the opposite way, which is going to be right here. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like. As you can see, it is looking nice, and it is tilting very, very slowly. And this is also a very nice simulation that you can create without having like a really expensive glider to make this shot. And let's say that we want to go ahead and create a nice cinematic shake or like a twist. What we can do is basically create a keyframe, which is right here. And then we're gonna zoom in all the way. And then we're going to tilt it. Then we're going to create a keyframe right here. And we're going to tilt it even more until it's right again. And then we're going to zoom out. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. And that's how you can also create a nice transition. Okay, and the last thing that we can do is, for example, make this zoom in and everything and shake all music. So I'm gonna just go ahead and delete all the keyframes real quick. So just right click on the keyframe, click on delete, right click again, click delete, and also do that for all the keyframes. So now that all the keyframes are gone, we want to go ahead and put it back to the beginning, and then we're going to just right click and hit restore. So now the clip is back into position, and let's say that we have a little drop
right here, we can just go ahead and click on here on the timeline, and then we can just create a nice zoom, and that's basically what we can do. We can also just click right here again, and then we want to go ahead and click on create a new keyframe, and then just a few frames back, you can also right click and put the one to restore. So this is what it looks like. Doom, doom, doom. So that's basically how you can do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy those keyframes, and I'm going to duplicate them, and then it is basically looking like it's, you know, bumping on the music. Okay, so now that I copied those, what we're going to do is we're going to click here, and then we're going to press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, so they're basically copied. And we're going to do that for the entire timeline, and then we will add some music. It is just adding some awesome cinematic shakes, and you can add this on music, and this is basically how you do it. So I'm going to just go ahead and keep pasting these until the timeline is completely filled, so I'll catch you guys when that is done. Alright, so now I added in a song, so let's see what it looks and sounds like. So that looks pretty nice. So that's how you create these awesome cinematic camera shakes that are obviously fake because we're just editing or we're just using or editing software to simulate those effects.
What's up guys, my name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and you're probably wondering, Alex, is this going to be another deep web video because you're wearing your sunglasses? Well guys, I want to mention that I slept for just a couple of hours. I might look like a zombie, so that's why I'm keeping these sunglasses on just for the intro, because it might look a little bit less, you know, personal, but also a little bit less distracting, because I don't want you guys to look at my zombie eyes, you know, if I take off my sunglasses. So today was a beautiful day. As you can see right now, the sun is shining. If it wants to focus on there, well, there's just a few clouds, and I thought to myself today, I woke up at like really early, I think at around 6:30, and I thought, let's make an awesome Vegas tutorial again today. And if you missed yesterday After Effects tutorial, make sure to check out the link in the description. There's a link there. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create the movie theater effect.
So what we're going to do is we're going to drag in that clip, which is obviously this one, and as you can see, it is just, you know, empty because there's no people in it. So we're still going to, you know, place our video on there. So what they did is they added a green screen where the video should play. So we're going to remove that first. We're going to go to the video effects tab, which is right here, and then we're going to scroll down until we see the chroma key, which is right here. We're gonna drag that on top of the clip, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna uncheck it for a second, then we're gonna click on this blue bar, then we're gonna click on this pencil icon, and we're gonna pick the nice green part like that. Now we're gonna re-enable the chroma key, and as you can see, it turns black. That means that it is transparent, and now we can place any video in that spot. Okay guys, so as you can see, I dragged in the After Effects tutorial that dropped yesterday. You guys have to check that out. The link is in the description. So this is the video. as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new video track, and for example we're going to trim it right here. Then we are going to place the audio underneath it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the track motion icon, and we're going to go ahead and make this guy smaller until it fits on the screen. So we're going to go ahead and drag it like that. We're going to also make it a little bit smaller and maybe just a little bit, you know, taller like this. Or what we can do is we can also lower the opacity, as you can see. So now that we're going to go ahead and, you know, click on the event pen crop, what we can do is we can actually select what we want to show in the preview screen. So we're going to go ahead and click on mask at the bottom, and then we're going to click on the rectangle or square mask creation tool. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the entire area, and then we're going to go ahead and drag this guy down until it fits nicely on the cinema screen. We're going to do that for the same until it fits nice and easy like that. We're going to also make it a little bit bigger. So if you go ahead and close this out, we're going to just put up the opacity to maximum. As you can see, this is how it looks, and this is how you make your videos look like it's played in a theater.
Center it using the Align tool. If you don't see this, you can find it by going to Window, Align.
Now what you can also do in order to make this, you know, a little bit more realistic is you can go ahead and click on the effects tab of the audio, and we can click on the reverb button. We're going to click on add, click on OK. Then what we're going to do, it's going to be pretty straightforward. We're going to add a little bit more reverb, and we're going to add in the bright hall. So let's play it back, and this is what it sounds like.
Enter it using the Align tool. If you don't see this, you can find it by going to Window, Align. After Effects can easily turn 2D layers into 3D. So that's what we're going to do. Check this box here, and now your text layer is a 3D layer. We can hit P to bring up the...
So as you can see, that is how to do it. This is how to make your videos play in a movie theater with the enhanced audio, that it looks like it's playing like it's kind of a surround area. This is how simple it is.
So guys, that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the continued support. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll catch you guys obviously in a brand new video next week.